Díoghaithe cara agus Finghin macar agus anam dom. Volhin Sean O'Gavin ó hard na spéire mar bhúntóir agus hagascóir. I would recommend Sean O'Gavin, John Gavin, extremely highly for as a teacher and as a tutor. The help that he gave me in preparation for the Leaving Certificate was just exceptional, and my only regret is that I didn't find John sooner in my journey. He transformed my language learning and was able to focus in on the things that were most critical in terms of the knowledge gaps that I had in my learning, and was able to give me extremely effective techniques for actually dealing with the level of Irish that I had, but also for dealing with the paper itself in terms of management of that. It completely transformed what I was expecting to achieve in terms of the Leaving Certificate and what I ultimately did succeed in doing there, and I have no doubt whatsoever that I wouldn't have been able to do it without John's help. I went back, I did the Leaving Certificate originally in 1990, and I went back and did it again in 2020, and I got a C in what was then Pass Irish in 1990, and I succeeded in getting a H1 in 2020 with John's extraordinary help. So I would have no hesitation whatsoever in recommending John, and I was a mature student going back with a very, very poor standard of Irish when I started on my journey back, and John made the journey exceptionally, I won't say easy, one has to do the work, but he made it possible, and his whole technique, Leavingcertirish.com, all of those resources are extraordinarily helpful, and I would recommend them to anyone. Good night, lad.